Hello friends, welcome to Mathematics Made Easy tutorial YouTube channel. Please go and follow, like and share our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this channel are contributed meaningfully and are provided content that have helped you in the knowledge of mathematics. Alright, today we are looking at tips on number system. Tips on number system. First on the list, we have n, a special n. Talk about set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. Of course, that's a set ranging from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to infinity. Alright. Next on the list, we have set of whole numbers, special W, set of whole numbers, ranging from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to infinity. Note, the difference between set of whole numbers and set of natural numbers is just the digit 0. For set of natural numbers, there is no 0, it starts with 1, but set of whole numbers start with 0. Third on the list is set of integers, set of integers. And of course, we have what we call negative integers. If you are interested in only negative, set of z minus, set of negative, all the negative whole numbers, set of negative integers. Then we also have in the z plus, which is talking about set of positive integers. Combining, we just have z, set of integers from negative infinity to positive infinity. Of course, starting from negative numbers down to positive numbers. Now, Q, talking about set of rational numbers. Of course, for Q, set of rational number. Now, note, a rational number is a number that can be expressed in terms of a fraction, A over B, numerator over denominator. Or, of course, your denominator B must not be equal to 0. If it's equal to 0, is what we call undefined, no solution. So B must not be equal to 0. And of course, for rational numbers, we have two types. It could be terminating. That's when a decimal and any fraction have ending a definite value. For example, 1 over 5 is the same thing as 0.2. This we call it a terminating fraction. While there are others that doesn't end, but behave in terms of a repeat, the numbers keep repeating themselves in a special pattern. Those group are called non-terminating, never ending, but they are recurring. All right, those are two types of rational numbers. Next, on the set of numbers, what we call the set of irrational numbers. These are set of numbers that cannot be expressed in terms of a fractions, numerator over denominator. You cannot express them in terms of A over B. All right, so those kind of group are called set of irrational fractions. Your sword, if you have done MTH 101 very well, or elementary mathematics called sword, your sword root 2 refer to them as irrational numbers, where when you evaluate the result, you have 1.123 point and all that. Never ends, never ends. And does it even repeat itself? All right, different numbers coming up and all that. So refer to them as set of uh, irrational numbers. Then next on the line of set of numbers is special arrow called set of real numbers. Of course, from all the numbers you have treated so far, starting with natural numbers, down to whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers combined are called set of real numbers. All the numbers you ever encounter that are of real value are referred to as real numbers. Could be fraction, could be decimal numbers, could be integer, negative or positive, could be whole numbers, 0 to infinity, or could be natural numbers, all referred as set of real numbers. Immediately next on the list, after the set of real numbers, we have the C, which is the baba of all the number system. I call it baba because it comprises every other set of real numbers. We call it set of complex numbers. Set of complex numbers. It contains every other number system you can name of, ranging from set of natural numbers down to real numbers. All are embedded, all are contained in C, called the set of complex numbers. What's a complex number? A complex number is expressed in terms of, let's say, z equal to a plus ib, where a and b are real numbers and I, a complex part, imaginary part, simply means square root of 1. All right, square root of 1. We can see the exercises before us. Number system exercises number 1, classify the following numbers into their correct number system. You can see numbers displayed. Classify the following numbers into their correct number system. 0 minus 12, 3 over 8, root 7 minus 3.75. We have pi 8 plus 2i. Number 2, state whether each is rational or irrational number. First on the list, 0.888, B 0.25, C pi, D square root of 121, 121. Number 3, write 2 examples of each of the following number system. A, integers. B, irrational numbers. C, complex numbers. Please drop your answers in the comment section of this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.